How to turn on and off TikTok DMs. So you want to go to your TikTok and go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner here. And then you want to go to the three bars at the top right corner. And from here, you want to go to your settings and privacy. And stay at the top and go to privacy. And from here, you just want to go to where it says direct messages. So you want to go to permission settings. And from here, you have two options. You can have requests, or you can go in here and say don't receive. So you will also turn off requests from others on TikTok. And you can go back and do the same thing for TikTok. And that is really basically it. You can just simply turn this on and off. You can also go through and mess with some of the other message preferences as well. But that's it. It's that simple. That's how you turn on and off your TikTok DMs.